Hello my dear subscriber, you are welcome to this channel, WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that can make you rich overnight. If this is your first time of visiting the channel, do your best to subscribe, do your best to turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I do a new video. Try to refer your friends, share this content to your network so that YouTube will push you to a very high audience. Start changing your life by doing all these things. Okay, so this is the topic which I discuss: V75 killer strategy, how I make $20,000 plus per day profit on V75 live. Okay, and please help me put it here. Oh my god, live, with that live please, on V75. Okay, now I'm going to show you how the whole thing works. If I open up here, you see this, see this, forget the crash 300. I'm not talking about crash 300, just look at V. You see that 8,000 plus, 100, 600. These are real profit. How did I get to this profit? I just bought. This is a real account, you can see it. Now see what happened. I just bought. Well, what makes me do what I did? Okay, now see how I analyze this market. I go to H1. Now, I notice how this market is moving in the H1. Let me do this. Let me change direction here. So see, this market has been on a serious downtrend. Okay, it has been on a serious downtrend, and basically it's moving in a channel which I have not drew. I need to draw the channel. Just get a plus and look for equidistant channel. So this is it. Starting from here, it's actually moving in a channel. Okay, it's moving in a channel. Okay, I can fix it in a channel. Okay, is this we can fix this in a channel. Okay, you need, if you are drawing a channel, you need 2 points, and this is H1. So even if I touch 1 point from the starting point of the market, that's from top, because this market is down, so it's moving from top to down. So now this, I can use this point now, and then use this point. I use the lower point here for lower point, and then I can use I can pull this one down so it fits, and then I will do this one like this. I following the analysis here. This one will fit here. Okay, so that might be little drawdown, like cutting off the line, but it doesn't matter. You see what happened here when the price hit here, this lower channel, it break it a little bit and then moves with high momentum. If I tell you, you'll be surprised. This is, if you buy here, maybe put your stop loss down here, you buy here, you are catching how many pips? Over 30 pips, 30,000 pips, I'm sorry, that's over 30,000 pips. Now see what made me to buy here. I noticed that there is a very large strong support here. Price came there, go up, then when price is coming back again, it's going to form double bottom. Why did I believe so? See why I believe. If you look at the indicator here in the window one, indicator window 1, here we notice that it have touched level 10. Okay, if you want to know the settings, just be patient, stay to the end of the video. I will teach you the settings. So that's what made me H1. Don't do this in lower time frame, please. It doesn't work there, because lower time frame, the market has a lot of noise. It will keep creating lower lows. Please go to H1 and H4 to do that. Okay, in H4, what do we see here? We see a perfect structure here, a very strong support here, price have come here before and reverse. I see price came back here and do what? Reverse. You see price came back here and reverse. Okay, but let me tell you the truth. Don't brag that because you watch this video you have known it all. No, are you getting it? Don't brag. I'm telling you the truth. They can decide to break this price. Even when you buy, you will still lose. Price can come here and break here. But there is a secret that made me to succeed, which you need to buy the course Volatility 75 millionaire Volatility 75 course. It's $300 now. You see, many people will not make it becoming financially free because they don't want to invest in education. You need knowledge. Knowledge is power. That is power in knowledge. Okay, that's something that made me. I did a lot of serious analysis in the weekly and the monthly, after which I concluded that this market will never break this level here. It will never. And what happened? You can feel the profit is still growing. It's a huge profit. Okay, I see it. So change your life today. Change your life today. You really need to buy the Volatility 75 course. It is called Millionaire Volatility 75 Millionaire course or Millionaire Volatility 75 course. Anything you want to call it. Check down the description of this video. You will see the other course list. Okay, you see the other course list that I offer. Don't worry, I will take you so that you see them, right? Okay, you notice that this is my channel. Any video upload, if you go to the description of that video, you will see this is this place. You see this place. These are the hashtag I normally use. Okay, Forex Millionaire Lifestyle Synthetic Indices Trading 100% Profitable Forex Course Telegram channel. That's the most important thing. You join my Telegram channel. If you are new, you don't know anything about a broker, you don't have a broker, you click here, create your trading account. Then if you want to trade crypto, you also click here and create your trading account. That is on Binance. So you will see the courses I offer. If you go down, there are fees. These are constant. I don't change it. They are. You will see them in all my videos. See WFS courses, Forex MT5 trading course $300, synthetic MT5 margin trading course $250, synthetic day trader rollover program binary option rise and fall drop buying off course $1 made to $400 plus after night trade rollover payday $150. I have boom and crash millionaire course $250, volatility 75 indices millionaire course, that is $300. This V75 means volatility 75. Jump indices millionaire course, that is $300. Binance crypto BTC ETC, that is other cryptocurrencies trading cost $300. Why not change your life? How are you going to make money with me? I also put it here. I have additional way you can make money with me. Okay, if you check here, WINFX trading money making programs. We have VIP talk group. Okay, I always said it there. We send you short signal to turn $1 to $400 or $3,000 in not more than 9/12 trading sessions. You have to pay a one-time membership, your $100 to join. Okay, you can enroll for G-Trader rollover program or top course, which I have explained in the course list. The same thing here. It's still the same thing I said in the course list. It's the same course here. You enroll for synthetic indices course, like you learn how to trade synthetic indices as a whole. All the synthetic assets, you can learn how to trade them. This is the fee, $250 per month. Or you enroll for WFS Forex Financial Market. That is Forex means financial market course, Forex Millionaire Plus. Okay, WFS Forex or Financial Market course, Forex Millionaire Plus, because we're actually teaching you to become millionaire and not doing jamboring. That is $100. This any course you see here is the same thing as the course I posted earlier in the course list. Okay, cryptocurrency trading, Binance or BTC. The cost is $100 per month. That are the same thing. The course I have mentioned here is the same thing as the course I mentioned in the course list. In this place is actually talking about how to make money with me. They're all the same thing. Okay, you join WFS Profitable Signals channel. If I didn't write the channel, but it's just signal channel. Join. How you also make money with me is that you join WFS VIP Profitable Signals channel. I'm supposed to put channel, but later I will edit it and write it. It's just channel. Okay, but renewable monthly fee is $100. Renewable annually is $840, 40% discount. Lifetime is $1,000. We did in like accuracy, 100% accuracy, certainty, no probability in our signals. Our signals are fees. When I say fees, it's fees. We know where the market is going before it go there, and we tell you to do that. If it is buying, we tell you to buy in time. If it is selling, we tell you to sell in time. So the asset we provide signals like with respect to this VIP WFS VIP Profitable Signals, the asset include V's, that is volatility asset, boom and crash indices, jump 75 and other jump indices, step indices, FSP like USD, gold USD, silver USD, USD, Canadian dollar, USD CAD, GBP, USD, and all of that. We have gold, we have BTC. So if you are interested in any, just contact admin on Telegram for further info, including T and P, terms and conditions. Just start changing your life. Okay, you can see it here. My strategy work. Okay, forget it is falling now. After it will rise. Okay, you see, if you go to lower time frame, you will see the move. It has already moved all the way from here, because when I placed the trade, it was here, the price was here, so it pushed it to this place. You can see the peep I caught is so much. I believe the market is going to reverse in my direction. So you see, I caught over almost 20,000 pips. Okay, so stop saying I will trade on myself, I will do it myself. You need someone to put you to. There are people, someone have already passed through what you are passing through and summarize what it will take for you to succeed. You need to follow the successors to succeed. So don't try to make the same mistake people make. Get knowledge and change your life. Become rich trading. Don't be loser, or don't lose and give up and say trading is not for me. Start trading like a pro, like bankers, like big boss. Okay, thank you, and remain successful and focused. Bye for now.